we look up at the stars, searching for answers to life's biggest questions. The vast expanse of the universe has always fascinated humanity, drawing us to ponder our place within it. Where did we come from? Are we alone? These questions have echoed through the ages, inspiring countless myths, scientific inquiries, and philosophical debates. Yet, the most profound mysteries often lie hidden within. As we gaze outward, we must also look inward to understand the complexities of life. Inside every cell of our bodies, a microscopic masterpiece unfolds. Each cell is a bustling hub of activity, a tiny universe in its own right. A twisted ladder, a spiral staircase, a code written in chemicals. This intricate structure is the DNA, the blueprint of life. This is DNA, the blueprint of life. It carries the instructions that define every aspect of an organism, from its physical traits to its biological functions. Imagine a vast cosmic library filled with ancient scrolls. Each scroll is a chapter in the grand story of life, meticulously recorded over billions of years. Each scroll holds the instructions for building and maintaining a living organism. These instructions are passed down through generations, ensuring the continuity of life. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, DNA orchestrates it all. It is the common thread that connects all living beings, weaving a tapestry of life that spans the globe. It determines our eye color, our height, our susceptibility to disease. Every trait we possess is encoded within this remarkable molecule. Understanding DNA is like unlocking a secret door to the very essence of life. It reveals the hidden mechanisms that drive the diversity and complexity of the natural world. Look closer at this magnificent molecule. Within its elegant structure lies the history of life on Earth, a story billions of years in the making. It's a story billions of years in the making, a story of evolution, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. A story of evolution, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the most complex multicellular life forms, evolution has shaped the diversity of life we see today. And within its elegant structure lies a profound truth. We are more alike than we are different. Despite the vast diversity of life, the fundamental building blocks are remarkably similar. Even with our closest living relatives, chimpanzees, the similarities are astounding. We share a common ancestry, and our genetic makeup reflects this deep connection. We share 98% of our DNA with these remarkable creatures. This genetic similarity underscores the shared heritage and evolutionary path that binds us together. But what about the other 2%? What makes us human? This small difference in our genetic code accounts for the unique traits and abilities that define our species. Let's embark on a journey to explore this question, unraveling the mysteries hidden within our genetic code. By understanding the intricacies of our DNA, we can gain insights into our past, present, and future, and perhaps even answer the age-old question of what it means to be human. In the 1950s, a revolution in biology began. This era marked the dawn of molecular biology, a field that would forever change our understanding of life itself. Scientists James Watson and Francis Crick unveiled the structure of DNA. Their groundbreaking work was built on the contributions of many others, including Rosalind Franklin, whose X-ray diffraction images were crucial. Their discovery, the iconic double helix, changed everything. Imagine a twisted ladder, a structure so elegant yet so powerful that it holds the blueprint of life. The sides of this ladder are made of sugar and phosphate molecules. These form the sturdy backbone that supports the entire structure. The rungs are made of 4 chemical bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These bases are the key to the genetic code. These bases pair up in a specific way, forming the steps of the ladder. This pairing is not random, but follows a strict rule. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and guanine always pairs with cytosine. This complementary base pairing is fundamental to the structure and function of DNA. This precise pairing is crucial. It ensures that the genetic information is copied accurately during cell division. It allows DNA to replicate itself with incredible accuracy. During replication, the double helix unwinds, and each strand serves as a template for a new complementary strand. Every time a cell divides, it creates a copy of its DNA. This process is essential for growth, development, and repair in living organisms. This ensures that genetic information is passed down from one generation to the next. It's the reason why children inherit traits from their parents. The sequence of these bases along the DNA strand is what makes us unique. Each person's DNA sequence is like a fingerprint, distinct and individual. It's like a code that determines our traits. This genetic code influences everything from our eye color to our susceptibility to certain diseases. This code is organized into genes, segments of DNA, that provide instructions for building proteins. Genes are the functional units of heredity. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell. They perform a vast array of functions, from catalyzing metabolic reactions to providing structural support. They carry out a wide variety of functions, from digesting food to fighting off infection. Without proteins, life as we know it would not be possible. Understanding the structure of DNA was a monumental achievement. It was a key that unlocked the secrets of genetics and opened the door to modern molecular biology. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. From genetic engineering to personalized medicine, the applications are vast and transformative. But perhaps the most profound implication was the realization of our shared genetic heritage. Despite our differences, we are all connected by the same fundamental building blocks of life. We are all connected by this elegant molecule, a testament to the unity of life on Earth. DNA is a reminder of our common origin and the intricate web of life that binds us all together. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives. They share with us not just physical traits, but also behavioral similarities that are strikingly familiar. Observing them in their natural habitat, we can see reflections of our own social structures and interactions. We share a common ancestor who lived millions of years ago. This ancient connection is a profound reminder of our place in the tree of life, a branching evolutionary tree that maps out the journey of countless species over eons. This shared ancestry is reflected in our DNA. The double helix, a marvel of biological engineering, carries the instructions for life itself. Scientists, through meticulous examination of DNA samples, have uncovered the secrets of our genetic heritage. The 98% similarity in our genetic code is a testament to our evolutionary history. This overwhelming genetic overlap underscores the deep biological connections we have with chimpanzees, revealing just how closely intertwined our fates have been. But it's the 2% difference that makes all the difference. This small genetic divergence has led to the vast array of capabilities and characteristics that distinguish us from our primate cousins. Think about it. A mere 2% difference can seem insignificant, yet within this tiny fraction lies the blueprint for the unique traits that define humanity. Yet look at the vast diversity of life on Earth. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, genetic variation drives the incredible array of forms and functions we see in the natural world. A tiny fraction of genetic variation can lead to remarkable differences in form and function. Over generations, these small changes accumulate, leading to the evolution of new species and the adaptation of life to every conceivable environment. In the case of humans and chimpanzees, this 2% translates to profound differences in brain size, language ability, and complex thought. Our larger brains have enabled us to develop advanced technologies, create art, and build civilizations. Our evolutionary paths diverged millions of years ago. This split set us on different trajectories, leading to the development of unique adaptations and survival strategies. As we adapted to different environments, our genes changed. The savannas, forests, and other diverse habitats we inhabited exerted selective pressures that shaped our genetic makeup. Some mutations proved beneficial, enhancing our survival and reproduction. These advantageous changes were passed down through generations, becoming integral parts of our genetic code. Others were detrimental, leading to disease or disadvantage. These harmful mutations, while often eliminated by natural selection, still play a role in the ongoing story of our evolution. Over time, these genetic changes accumulated, shaping us into the distinct species we are today. From our early hominid ancestors to modern humans, the tale written in our DNA is one of adaptation, survival, and the relentless march of evolution.